we'll be showing you how to use the emove manual motor mover. With your motor mover you'll get the remote, an isolator key and a universal joint winding handle. To start with, we're going to put the motor mover onto the wheels, and to do that we put the winding handle onto the nut on the left hand side and begin to wind. As we're winding, you'll notice there's a black marker which is in the yellow at the moment. That's going to move into the green. Once it's into the green you can keep turning a few times and then you can stop and the mover will be locked on. Just there. With the motor mover you'll get a red isolator key. This is to turn the power on and off to the motor mover. All we do is put it into this socket, turn. That's now power to the mover on. This is the remote for the motor mover. It's got an icon in the middle of it which tells you which way is forwards. So you can see right at the top we've got the A-frame just above the green light. So we know that that arrow above it is forwards. If we press the arrows we can see the Caravan starts to move forwards and backwards. And then we've got the left and right turns as well. And we've also got the reverse turns that do left and right if we want to move backwards and turn. To turn the remote on and off, on the side there's a switch that you slide up and down, so that's now the remote off. We've got no green light on. When there's a green light in the middle of the remote is on. Next we'll need to turn the motor mover off, so all we do, turn the key off, take it out. Now we're back down at the motor mover on the side of the van. We need to wind it in the opposite direction to take the mover off the wheels. It will go all the way back into the yellow and you won't be able to turn it anymore once it's fully off.